Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to see about the scanner. Okay, today we are going to see about the scanner. First of all, what is a scanner? Scanner is used to scan the particular page. Okay, scanner is used to scan a particular page, means a paper or mark sheet, whatever things we are keeping on the scan, it will scan. After scanning that particular soft copy, when we're scanning that particular image, we will get that image we can store in a cloud. Okay, example Google Drive or a Dropbox, like that. So much Outlook Drive, like that, so much drives are there in a cloud, means a cloud storage. We can store it in your internet, and wherever any place you are, we can able to access that particular file. Okay, especially our mark sheets, Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, okay, or school ID, the important documents we should always have the habit of scanning and keeping in a cloud storage. Okay, so not only for this, and officially while applying for any government related schemes or any uh, uh, facilities provided by a government, if you are applying, we are using the scanner. Okay, so scanner is used to take a photocopy, okay, of particular page. When we talk about the scanner, there are several types are there. Today we are going to learn. First one is a drum scanner, flatbed scanner, handheld scanner, OCR, OMR, MICR, and barcode reader. These are the scanners used in different areas. Okay, different areas we are using this seven types of scanner. Now we are going to learn. Okay, today we are going to learn. Okay, first we can learn the drum scanner. The word drum is there. Okay, drum means you should always remember, in this scanner there will be a drum. Example, see here. Here you can able to see the drum. This one is a drum. Okay, this is a drum. So this drum scanner, because of this only we are telling it is a drum scanner. It is effective and expense. Mostly if you are going to the any browsing shop, only in few places we can able to see this scanner. Okay, because it is expensive and it is effective. In a photo they are taking in the place we can able to see. uh, in a browsing centers and everywhere you cannot able to see this type of scanner. Okay, that is the main thing. The place where they are taking the photo albums. Okay, the place where they are taking photo albums, you can able to see this type of scanner, because it is a what to say, means it shows in a high resolution, high clarity. Okay, in normal scanner if you are taking, comparing that, it is a very high sensitive. Okay, and it is a more effective also, and it is a glass drum. So see here is a glass drum, means this is a glass drum. So this is a glass drum. In this glass drum, light will pass, means from inside to outside light will pass, so that time it will scan particular file. Okay, and it uses a photo multiplier tubes. It is a technology, PMT, photo multiplier tubes. This is a full form, very important. My dear students, no need to go very deeply. Okay, no need to go very deeply, because how much deeply you are going, that much it is not. Just learn the basic. Drum scanner means what? There will be a drum. Okay, the drum is made up of what? Glass. The drum is made up of glass, and on that glass light will pass. Okay, when light is passing, it is using PMT technology to scan the image. Okay, mostly books, magazines, newspaper, article, means high clarity paper is means a high quality paper. Okay, book cover page, magazine cover page, costly magazine paper will be little bit what to say, quality will be there. Such type of magazines we are making by this drum scanner. Okay, second type, flatbed scanner. Students, this flatbed scanner you can able to see in everywhere. The main reason is it is smaller in size. Smaller size. And it is per page 4 rupees. 4 rupees expense will be there to take a scan and to take a printout and all. Okay, means this scanner you can able to see everywhere. Mostly in book articles, this all place we are using. Comparing to the drum scanner, flatbed is in size it is smaller. Okay, and you can able to carry everywhere. Okay, you can able to carry everywhere. So flatbed means what? Bed, how it will be? Bed will be like this, correct? So see a flat bed. Why we are telling? Because it is a in small size. It is in a very small. Width is less. Here the width. Okay, the width is very less. Okay, it is using charged couple device. It is using charged couple device. Means that this all of the technology. Flatbed uses PMT. Flatbed uses what? PMT technology, photo multiplier tube, and flatbed scanner CCD, charged couple device. Okay, after handheld scanner, it is a very small and portable. We can able to carry. Rarely in few places you can able to see this. Okay, so no need to go more deeply. Just to learn the basic concepts. Okay. After OCR, now we are in a important topic. OCR, optical character reader. Okay, when we are scanning, this document will be converted into scanned copy, means a photo. This photo we are using in OCR. What is meant by OCR? Optical character reader. Means, my dear students, here you can able to see the A. In computer, we done a program. In OCR, there is a program. Okay, see here. This value is a 1, 2. Okay, and this. Now, what will happen? A is there now? Sorry, this is a cursing writing. A. This A will be converted like this. One slope. In middle horizontal one line, again slope line. Now what will be in computer program will be, if one slope plus horizontal line plus another slope equal to A. Are you getting? If it is a C, in computer there will be a program. If any line is like this, it is called what? C. Means this all the program for the each letter. For the each letter in OCR there is a program like this type. So computer what we will do, when it is scanning the copy, if A is there, it will convert into the 3 slope and it will add and it will convert into what? Text format. Mostly when you are seeing image to text in your Android mobile also you can able to see image to text. Image to text. When you scan your book, automatically what text in your book, it will convert in what things on your book page, it will convert into the text format. How it is happening? Because OCR. This OCR have is a means this OCR we have done a program with help of these lines. This type of lines. Each alphabet, 26 alphabets, we done a program like this way. If example, if it is a F, for the F, if computer is scanning, it will divide plus, so equal to F. So this F will be pasted here. Okay, it will text will be converted here. In this image, what things are there? It automatically the slope lines are there. It will make, okay, it will make a slope line. After it will convert addition, it will perform in a text. Okay, 1 to 3 slope line A. So this is the way this OCR is working. Okay, next OMR. My dear students, mostly when you are writing CBSE board exams or any government exam, or central government exam or any big institute examination, mostly what will happen, they will give the question paper and they will give OMR sheet. There will be a OMR sheet. Example, now see here, question number 1, A, B, C, D. Option will be there and there will be a circle. Now in this question, you will read the question. When you read the first question, you are thinking C option is correct. Now you have to shade here. You have to what? You have to shade here. And 2, same way, A, B, C, D. Circle will be there. So whatever things are there, second question you will read, if A option is correct, you have to shade. So this is called OMR sheet. This sheet we have to put in where? In this machine, OMR machine. Now what will happen if 50 questions are there? Okay, 50 questions are there. If example in a first question B option is correct, you shaded C, so this is wrong. If you shaded here A option is correct, so it is correct. Like that in this machine, based on the absence of the shade. So here is a paper, light will pass here. So absence of the shade okay, absence of the shade, it will give the mark. Out of 50 you scored 33. Are you getting? Like this it will give the marks to us. Okay, this is the technology OMR. OMR uses absence of the shade. Okay, getting? Be clear in this. OCR uses optical character reader. Each text, each alphabet, there is a formula with help of the mathematical slope line in computer. Okay, and when we talk about the OMR sheet, mostly in government exams we are using this OMR sheet. In this OMR sheet, based on the absence of the shade, it provides the marks. It provides the marks to you. Okay, next, MICR, magnetic ink character reader. Mostly in a bank book, in a bank challan check book, you can able to see this. See, this is a MICR code. Okay, here it was filled with some magnetic lines. If you get the opportunity to see, you can able to see that. Means there will, if I write here bank, now bank is there. Now top of the bank MICR, some ink will be pasted. Now what will be there? This ink hidden that bank. What are text under this ink we cannot able to read. But in MICR, magnetic ink character reader, that bank I written here now, here bank. This ink was made up of iron oxide. Be clear in this, iron oxide. Iron oxide. Okay, this bank means whatever this bank is there, not only bank, whatever numeric value is written here, this numeric value written with help of the iron ink. Okay, it was typed by iron ink. Now when we are scanning this MICR, what will happen? Iron means what? It is iron, correct? Iron having always connection with what? Magnet. When we are using this MICR, that iron ink up, see, after writing this we are covering with some paint, so we cannot able to see the which letter we written here, correct? But when we use the MICR, this ink will not show, but the magnetic iron oxide will become activate. Based on the activate, we can able to read the code like this. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, okay my dear students, I think today it is enough, because today I taught you so much of this scanner. See, scanner, you no need to go in such a very deep way. You no need to go in such a deep way. Just to go through in a just read like a newspaper and understand the basic concept. And I am giving you 100% guarantee. Whenever you are writing for any examination, national level or state level or central government any examination, when you are writing, at least one question, at least I'm talking at least one question you will get from this second chapter. You may think from second chapter you are getting the question, but thing is what, when it comes to the national level, point 1 10 lakh people, 5 lakh people will go up and down. Okay, so for this, if you completely thoroughly prepared your computer book, if computer subject is there, if 25 question is there, at least 18 marks you can score from only your 9th class book. Okay, out of 25, at least 18 marks you can score from your 9th class computer book. Okay, so don't take it in a light way, learn everything, understand the basic concept, don't by heart it. Okay, thank you my dear students, thanks for watching, thank you.